Hey, welcome back to the Six Figure Mastermind. Today we're talking about projects not meeting customer expectations. Why does this happen? Stay tuned, I'll tell you why. So you're an entrepreneur, you're working on this project, and you're wondering why it's not meeting your customer expectations. Well, there's one of three primary reasons that you're gonna wanna watch out for as a producer of this project or this service, okay? The first and primary reason customers aren't happy, and it sounds obvious, right? It's a poorly made product or a poorly rendered service. We get all excited, we put all this hype behind it, we put all this marketing behind it, and we push it out the door, and when it finally gets in the customer's hands, it either breaks down, wears out, or it doesn't function properly. Obviously, that's not gonna give you a happy customer at the end of the day. So before your products go out the door, I mean, again, this sounds obvious, but test them first. Get some beta tests out there, get some testimonials out there. Let your product get into customers' hands or even friends and family's hands for free first, and gather all your feedback before it blasts out to the public. You're gonna thank yourself if you do. The second reason customers are not happy with a project or a service or a product that goes out the door is really bad communication skills. If your customers don't know how to get a hold of you, they're not going to be giving you rave reviews all the time. In fact, they're probably going to give you really bad reviews, and you're not even going to know it until they show up on Yelp or Google or somewhere else or on Facebook, because they can't get a hold of you to fix the problem. So of course you're going to get negative reviews. So communicate with your customers, communicate via email, communicate via text if you can. The general rule is the more personal, the better. And communicate promptly, meaning on time, as fast as you possibly can. In fact, if you can get ahead of the game on communication so you're contacting them before they have to contact you, better off you are. The third reason customers are usually dissatisfied is low to no customer service. And this ties in right with communication, but it's got a different spin on it. Let's say that you've got a contact form or a way for your customers to contact you. You've got an email, you've got a phone number, you've got something on your website or your product where they can reach out to you and get help. So it's almost worse if they reach out and don't get a response than if they didn't have a way to reach you at all. So if they are reaching out to you via text or via email, and your customer service rep, maybe you're the customer service rep and you're just wearing too many hats as an entrepreneur. I know this, I've been there, I totally get this. You have got to make that your top priority. An unhappy customer is going to take away 100 other customers with them or potential customers with them, because word of mouth spreads faster than anything else. And it takes at least 10 positive reviews to get rid of one negative review to offset that. And I would even suggest that it's even higher than that, because people love to share negative reviews. I mean, think about it. That's all the news is people negative news everywhere. So when someone has something negative to say, they're 10 times more likely to say what's negative than to share if they had a positive experience, because the positive experience is expected, okay? So keep in mind those three pitfalls. Number one, bad products. Don't push bad products out the door. Number two, communication skills. Communicate promptly and accurately. And number three, have great customer service. Stay on top of it with your customers and be the one proactively trying to serve them. All right, so now you know what to avoid. Keep those customers happy, because that's going to keep your business happy. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow.